me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching FORTECH. So it's been almost 1 week. OnePlus had made available another open beta F08 OxygenOS 13 for the OnePlus 9 RT. Actually, this update didn't have any big change log. It's just a 5G support addition for the Indian market, where most of the network has making available 5G in metro cities of country. Last time we reviewed the F07 and I promised to give you its full performance, battery and the gaming. So as this update has almost same base of F07, so before switching to the custom ROMs, I have created this video covering the performance, CPU throttling, gaming and the battery performance of new OTA F08 after using it for at least 1 week. So you can decide whether to use this new open beta F08 as a daily driver on your beloved OnePlus 9 RT. If you are already on the F07, you will get this new OTA of just 720 MB size, and if you are on the OxygenOS 12, then you will get the 4 GB of notification. So download and flashing has been completed. Now without further ado, let's get started for the review of new F08.
A new adventure.
Flashing open beta on any OxygenOS version will not wipe your data, so don't worry. Download and flash it while local OT in the system. After system update completion, let's jump to the about phone to check the changes. Now if you tap on the Android version on the top, you will see this is the new OxygenOS 13 F08. You can also check its changelog. If you check the Android version tab, this is the Android 13 with the same material clock Easter egg that you seen last time in the video. Security patch is still on the September 2022. I don't know why OnePlus is providing the beta updates in the October months and not providing the latest October security patches. If you check the version tab, it's the OxygenOS 13 with the F08 version. Kernel version is also same like old build, it's 5.4.142. So everything is same like the old F07. Now as per the changelog, OnePlus added the 5G support for all the networks. So here I am using the Airtel SIM in India. If you are using this first time, go to the Airtel website and search for the 5G compatibility. If you tap on it, it will redirect you to the Play Store to download their My Airtel application. Download it and once again click on the web link of the 5G compatibility. Now it opens the Airtel application and start for the check-in 5G compatibility. Here you can check that it's showing the successful notification that your device is compatible with the 5G now. Except these changes, nothing new has been added in the new F08, but our main aim is to check the other aspect. So first one is how is the performance of the new update. As usual, if you watched my previous video, this build is same. It's outstanding performance, smooth and fast. But some issues are there for the swipe actions, like dismissing the notification panel or accessing the gaming mode while swiping from the corner is not easily accessible. You need to familiar with these things now. Sometimes they immediately work, sometimes they not. Except that no issues found anywhere. Now let's check out the Geekbench performance. For the single core without the performance mode, I got 833 and for the multi-core I got 3158. These results are improved as compared to the last build F07. That time I got the score of 820 and 3000 respectively, so there is slight improvement in the multi-core performance. After enabling the performance mode in the battery setting, this time after running the Geekbench, I got the score of 1095 for the single core and 3053 for the multi-core. Again here the same thing was happened. Last time on the F07 we got 1046 and 2943. Here again the major improvement found in the multi-core performance results. After checking the GPU performance on the OpenGL drivers, I got the score of 4721. Remember here I kept enabled the performance mode. Last time without the performance mode I got the score of 4698. Means the results for the GPU performance is the same here as compared to the last build. On the Vulkan graphics I got the score of 5513, while on the old F07 build results were slightly higher. It was 5611 with the performance mode. Overall you can judge that as compared to the last build here in the new F08, OnePlus slightly improved the multi-core performance, but in the real world users I didn't find the major difference between both the F07 and F08. Both are the super smooth and fast like Ferrari. Now it's time to check the CPU throttling and to confirm will the CPU performance better in the high load and heavy temperatures. I ran the CPU throttle for the 5 minutes on the 20 threads and kept the temperature display enabled in the setting. After running the CPU throttling test in the whole the test, graph seems stable, and finally you got the 90% of CPU throttling performance on this build. CPU temperature rises from the 47 to 50 degrees Celsius. If you check the last time video on the F07, there we got the outstanding results of 96%. So it's obviously seen that here in F08 OnePlus again improved the multi-core performance, which is creating the more heat and ultimately causing the CPU throttling. But results of 90% and above are still very good score if you are using the device with the heavy task. So this build is also capable of handling the heavy task. Now it's time to tell you the battery performance of the new OTA F08. I already posted the community post for the F07 with the single battery performance results, and they are outstanding. In the current test uses, I always kept the Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi hotspot on whole the day. Bluetooth generally kept off and only used sometimes for the listening music. GPS location is kept on whole the day. NFC and always on display is kept off. I used only single OLT 4G SIM in the whole the uses. I used AccuBattery application to check all these results. Here I used the device randomly and charged it anytime because I was traveling these days, but I properly taken out this one battery cycle. Here I got 8 hours and 23 minutes of screen on time with the total usage of 27 hours, which is almost more than a day. Mostly used applications are the YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp, Chrome, SoundCloud, etc. My Telegram is constantly active in this spread, showing more than the 1000 notifications in whole the day. I did voice calling in the whole the day. As per usage, these results are outstanding. Screen of battery drain will be 1.5 to 2% in this time. This is the average usage, no gaming, but if you are a gamer or using the camera a lot, then you can accept half of the result as shown. Even for my currently running battery cycle system showing the 1 day and 8 hours of estimated battery left. In terms of the battery performance, I am really satisfied with this update, which is giving me the best battery than the Exynos 11 and 12. Now final test is for the gaming. As I am not a big gaming fan, I didn't use lots of the application to play games. But here for just testing, I installed the new state mobile application, which is similar to the BGMI. In the graphics setting of application, I kept maximum setting for the frame rate, but it's not supporting 90 fps. But to enable the 90 fps, you can follow our iCard video. I kept the graphics at Ultra HD. In OnePlus gaming setting, I kept Pro Gaming mode enabled. I kept touch sensitivity and swipe sensitivity at the highest level. System info like the FPS meter, CPU and the GPU usage kept enabled. Playing games on this build is absolutely stunning. Graphics and the touch sensitivity is very good. But as I told in the intro, swipe gestures are bit changer in this new Exynos 13, which needs more time to get familiar with it. FPS in the whole the game ranging between 55 to 60 FPS, which is good sign. I am not a pro gamer, but as per my first experience, new OTA will not disappoint you in the gaming section. This is full review of new OTA. In every department, this new OTA amazed me, whether it's gaming, its battery, performance, user interface, etc. As the custom ROM development is also on the peak, but flashing custom ROM needs to be reverted back on the Exynos 12. That's why before going back, I did the review of this new OTA. I didn't find lots of the bugs except the swipe gesture issues and the no fast boot mode. If you want to revert back, then enable the developer option and flash the revert back package given under the video description via local install in the about phone. That will revert back to you to the Exynos 12C07. I definitely recommend you to use this Exynos 13 despite of color OS changes, because OnePlus lot improved this new Exynos 13 in every aspects. That's it for today guys. If you think I helped you through this video, then please do like and share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.